Hello everyone, my name is Amanturli Trasan. Today I'm going to talk about Amazon Web Services. So let's start. Amazon Web Services is the cloud computing division of Amazon, which was launched in 2006 and is now the world's largest cloud provider. It offers over 200 on demand services, including storage, computing, database, AI, and Internet of Things on pay as you go basis. They operate in 190 countries with over 100 availability zones. So also Amazon serves millions of businesses from startups to global enterprise and the governments. Governments. Nowadays they gained 30% of global market share, which means they lead the industry by providing a scalable, secure, and innovative cloud solution, helping organizations accelerate uh, digital transformation and reduce infrastructure costs. And according to sources, nowadays cloud computing industry valued at 600 billion US dollars, and by 2030 they're planning to hit 1.5 trillion US dollars. So now let's talk about SWOT analysis. Their strengths: market leaders, as I said, 30% of global market share, intensive global infrastructure, and over 200 service covering AI, Internet of Things, analytics, and cloud computing, strong enterprise and government contracts ensuring recurring revenue, and the final one is economies of scale enabling competitive cost structure. So weaknesses. Their main weakness is complex platform for small and medium-sized enterprises with steep learning curves uh, and the OPEC pricing model leading to unexpected costs, heavy reliance on large enterprise and contracts for revenue stability, and the public perception challenges due to energy consumption of data centers. So their opportunities is a growing demand, AI-powered low-cost solution for CMEs, expansion in sustainable and green cloud computing, rapid global cloud market growth, ability to tap into underserved CME markets, and their threats are fierce competitors from Azure and the Google Cloud, regulatory scrutiny such as data privacy and energy use, rising population of rising popularity of simplified cloud platforms like DigitalOcean, risk of customer like DigitalOcean, and of course risk of customer churn due to complexity and the hidden costs. So their problem identification, as I said. As I said, they struggle to attract and retain CMEs because of their complex platforms, and the APAC pricing model lead to misconfiguration and the cost overruns, and the high churn rates. Competitors, because their competitors like Google Cloud and the DigitalOcean JCME CME market share by offering simpler cost predictive solutions. So how it impact on Amazon and other stakeholders? For Amazon side, slower growth in larger potential market segment, risking market share erosion. For CMEs, lack access to Amazon scalable infrastructure due to technical barriers, reducing digital competitiveness. For investors, potential missed revenue growth and the margin dilution if churn continues. And in the cloud ecosystem, uh, Amazon's inability to simplify service could slow innovation adoption among CMEs globally. So potential solution of it gonna be Amazon Web Services Breeze. This is low code AI powered platform designed to help small and medium sized enterprises adopt Amazon services quickly and affordably, overcoming the complexity and the cost unpredictabilities that currently discourage their adoption. The innovation, because the innovation, this innovation use LLMs, large language models, and the drag and drop workflow to translate natural language infrastructure such as build a secure e-commerce stores with analytics and the backups into fully deployed Amazon environment without requiring deep technical expertise. Key features include pre-built industry-specific templates for sectors like retail, healthcare, and education, as well as automated GDPR and the HIPAA compliance checks to ensure regularity scrutiny from the start. So it also introduced a green cloud mode, which automatically deploys workloads in regions powered by renewable energy, aligning with sustainable goals. And Yeah, by simplifying onboarding, reducing configuration errors, and improving pricing transparency, Amazon Web Services Breeze enables CMEs to scale efficiently while helping Amazon capture untapped market potential boosts CME account growth by 25% in the first year, and strengthen its leadership in the rapidly expanding cloud market. So implementation plan gonna be the implementation of this system will be uh, one year, 1 year phased rollout, uh, to ensure careful development, testing, and the global adoption. So in the first phase, Amazon will conduct semi-focused research and identify user pain points, develop prototypes, and consult legal and compliance teams to ensure GDPR and the HIPAA readiness. This phase establishes the foundation for a platform tailored to CME needs. The second phase, large language models will be integrated to Amazon's existing cloud services, while user experience and the user uh, interface development will be finalized through the internal performance testing, because this will ensure the interface remains intuitive and reliable for non-technical users. The third phase will involve pilot launching in KCME sectors such as education and retail, allowing Amazon to gather feedback, refine workflows, and optimize pricing structures before a global rollout. So, and the final one gonna be official launch worldwide through Amazon Marketplace, supported by AI-driven tutorials, onboarding credits, and 24/7 global support hubs. To do this project, Amazon will need 20 million US dollars with a core team of four AI experts, 15 engineers, five UX designers, three project managers, and the two legal advisors. So the key milestones will include prototype prototype completion by Quarter 2 2026, successful pilot deployment by Quarter 4 2026, and the full scale release will be by early 2027. So, in overall, to recap everything, So Amazon should simplify adoption for CMEs, which is 90% of global businesses, by reducing complexity and unpredictable cost. Expected to deliver a 40% faster onboarding processes and a 25% increase in CME account growth in the first year, and the 30% of the CME workloads running on renewable powered infrastructure. This strengthens Amazon's competitive edge against Azure, uh, Azure, which has 21% of global market share, and Global Cloud, which has 12% of market share. And they provide CMEs focused providers like DigitalOcean. So finally, Amazon Web Services Breeze aligns with cloud market trends such as uh, AI integration, low code solutions, sustainability, and the user friendly cloud adoption. By addressing CME challenges, Amazon can expand its customer base, reduce churn, and capture greater share of the 1.5 trillion cloud market by 2030, leverage Amazon's existing scale, brand trust, and technical capabilities to create sustainable growth engine. So, yeah, they should secure executive approval for 20 million US dollars development and launch budget. Establish project teams, AI, UX, engineering, legal project managers, and start beginning their first phase, and the prototyping by first quarter of 2026. And of course, they should set up KPI benchmarks for CME adoption rate, and onboarding speed, and renewable deployment shared to track success. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention. Here it is, a reference list. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.